First, I'm really impressed by your asking for feedback, as I said in my email. And actually, this is a very good thing that maybe we should be doing sessions where the kids can send in code for code review. So this is what we call a code review, and this is what we're going to do right now. Okay, so first I ran your code and it is correct, it runs correctly. So in terms of correctness, your code is good. Okay, but then I have of course a few recommendations that you can make the code better. Always, even for us, there's always ways that your code could be better. Any other time, even you come look at it after a few years or a few months, you realize, oh, okay, I should have done this much better. So of course, starting off with these ones, this is awesome. All this is good. You're printing first the title of your program. It's a calculator, and then you're asking for input. You're sanitizing the input as an integer. Then this also. Okay, so you're getting them in A and B, and then you're asking for the symbol, and then okay. So this symbol, you're just making sure the symbol is a string. This is okay, but I don't know if you still need to do this, but we can check. So I think I'll remember to check this, confirm if conversion is necessary. Okay, yeah, so my bulk of the improvement comes here now. This one could have been made simpler because the user has already input whatever they want, whether it's a division, addition. There's no need to spend your time doing the math here and then end up just giving one of those as a solution. So if it was up to me, I'll rewrite this into this way. So instead of so if you're saying if symbol is an asterisk, okay, then now you can do the multiplication, the A times B, and you can just print. So you don't have even to put it in a variable. You can just say print A times B. And then if, also you can use elif. It's more like else if, but for this part is not, it's okay, but for completeness sake, using elif is much better here. So slash, if it's a slash, then print A divided by B. Okay, and then elif, if the symbol is so I'm just following, I'm here now, is an addition, then print A plus B, elif the symbol is subtraction, then print A minus B. Okay, and then now else, what if they didn't provide anything that is valid? What do you do? Maybe you could just print that not a valid symbol or something. Error, not a valid symbol, because they could have provided like a question mark. Okay, so at least you give that one as a default error message, not a valid symbol. Yeah, that is, so we're going I think that's what I would say here. But this is really awesome, and I'm really impressed that you're doing stuff that even we haven't covered in class yet. So this is awesome. I'll introduce you to another tool that is good for sharing code. I know you know about GitHub. GitHub is good, but it can be an overkill for small code snippets that you want to share. So a good place is this site that actually will do a good review about it on our blog soon, repol.it or repolit.com. And this is where I've actually put this code. So let's go there and see. So I'll switch to repolit.com, and I've already put your code there. So I also tried to run it and it was running okay. So this is the change that we'll make. We'll clear this. This one I said I wasn't sure, so we can do is I wasn't sure whether you really need to sanitize the symbol into a string, because already it comes in as a string. But let's do this. Let's remove that, and actually let's comment it out and see whether everything will be okay. And then this is the place now where we do the A times B. Okay, you can still use if here, but elif is better. Elif is better. A divided by B, elif A times B. Elif A minus B. Sorry, because here this is A plus B. Sorry, A plus B. So everything is good, and always is good to give spaces between your operators. Makes your code a bit readable. And then we said about the else part, where there's no symbol that is valid, you can say else. Also this indentation is really important. If you're using two spaces, it should be two spaces all through. And then now print error, invalid symbol. Okay, then that's the end. Okay, so let's try and run and see what we get here. So first number 45, second number 4, on division I get 11 point. Okay, so we don't need this the sanitizing of this into a string, so we can. So that's another part that you can remove. Just make your code shorter. What else? So you see, you've cut down your code into up to into 18 lines from maybe 20 something lines. Even there's so many things here that you can actually even this one. But no, this is a very good practice. Sanitizing. This is called sanitization. It's a very good. I don't want to show you some bad manners of trying to oversimplify your code or over shorten your code. So just this is a good thing. You sanitize and then you can do the operations down here. So that's awesome. So okay, I'm impressed. This is good stuff. You could also do some. Could also add some nice like header. So you could do like. I think you can do something like this in Python. Let me confirm. Star times or even dash times 10. What do you get? Yes, so you can do like a star or a dash, a star space, then times maybe 14. Okay, so with this you'll have so see what you get. You get a nice like delimiter down here, something like that. Or you can use, I think dashes are better. You can do dashes here. Dashes maybe about 30 dashes. And dashes on the upper part here. This is just prettifying. I'm getting into a rabbit hole here now, but it's just making it like a bit pretty, but it's all good. So this is what I was talking about. You can see this. Yeah, but I'm so much impressed by what you're doing, and keep it up. Okay, so I'll now see you in the class.